Hello everyone, this is Daddy here. Hope you are well. Today we want to go straight into cryptocurrency. We know right now cryptocurrency is hot topic and there's a lot of money to be made in cryptocurrencies. There's a high volatility in cryptocurrencies, so you have a big chance of being able to submit your order with no problems executing the orders. So, firstly, we are going to use Bitcoin to trade this cryptocurrency. As you know, Bitcoin is one of the biggest, if not the biggest, out of all the different currency that make up the crypto. Okay, we have the other alternative currencies to Bitcoin, but today we are using the big one, the Bitcoin. Okay, in front of us, this is trading view. So you know we have been using MetaTrader platform, but today let's use trading view. Some of my subscribers, they use trading view, hence this is the chance to give them something back. All right, so trading view, and we are trading Bitcoin versus US dollar. This is 60 minutes chart. So we are doing short to medium term trading. You know, it is possible to do a long term trading with Bitcoin or all other cryptocurrencies, buy and hold method. In the future, I may show you what method you can use, how you can trade by buying and holding it for a longer term view. But today we will look at 60 minutes chart or less. So we can trade with 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes chart, or any intraday chart. The principle is the same. So we are going to use our MACD strategy, the double MACD strategy. Already you know this strategy has been successfully used in Forex market. We have used it to trade euro dollar cable. We have used it to trade Japanese yen and every other currencies that are available. It's a successful strategy. So to start with, what is MACD? You know, MACD stands for moving average convergence divergence. MACD is a trend following momentum indicator that shows the relationship between the moving averages of price. Convergence occurs when the two MAs are moving towards each other, which means the difference between them is getting smaller. On the other hand, divergence occurs when they are moving away from each other, which means that the difference between the MAs are getting larger. So this is the MACD here. You have two MACDs here. So for the purpose of showing how we set up these two MACD, I will delete these two MACD from these charts and I will add them again so that you can do it on your own. Okay, so I'm going to delete the two MACD and I will add it back. So we have a clean chart right now. So you right click and you say add indicator, insert indicator. We look for MACD. You add MACD indicator twice. Okay, once you've done that, these are the two MACD indicators on separate windows. So first of all, let's configure it. Let's set it up. So the first MACD is 12.26.1. Okay, notice that one of the MACD's line has gone. That's fine. In the style, we'll make it white. So we have all the colors to be white, and the thickness, let's make it very thick. And for the histogram, let's make it a line. For MACD itself, let's now make that, let it show as histogram, and the signal line, let it be a line. Okay, so that is it. We've set up the first MACD. Let us set up the second MACD. So the second MACD is the smaller MACD settings. So this setting is 5, 15, 1. And the color this time, let's choose a different color. Let's choose this color here, yellow color. Similarly, the lines, let's make them thick. For the histogram, let's represent it as a line. For the MACD, let's represent it as histogram. And for signal, it remains a line. That is exactly what we did for the first MACD. So this is the second MACD. Now we have the second MACD here, but now they are on separate windows. How can we make it in a single window to combine them? What you need to do is to click, right click, or left click it and drag it on top of the first MACD and then drop it just like that. So you have the two MACD sitting on top of each other. So how do we take advantage of this MACD to trade? Okay. The rules are very simple. Okay. To buy, the yellow MACD must cross the zero line going upwards. And the white MACD must show the same direction, must go in the same direction. Okay. To sell, the yellow MACD must cross zero line downwards and the white MACD must point in the same direction. So we say to buy, the yellow MACD must cross the yellow line going up and the white MACD should point in the same direction. So from here you can see the yellow MACD has crossed its own yellow line right here. Okay, right here it crosses. So the opening of the next bar is your signal to buy. So you have a signal to buy here, and we set a profit target of, for Bitcoin, we set a profit target of 600 points. So if you are trading one-to-one, that's $600, okay, for each trade as your take profit. So 600 points, it's your take profit target. That is first method of setting profit target. Okay. The second method of setting profit target is to close your position when the two MACD crosses again. Okay. So let's practicalize it. So here is our buy signal here. So we go long here. Okay. And we set a profit target of 600. Okay. So let's see if we get a 600 target. Okay, so here we enter the market here, and let's see if we have our 600 points. Right, so we get our 600 points right about here. So definitely we had our 600 points. So that's first method, by setting a profit target. So clearly we are able to go as far as high as about 1,252 points, but we only need to catch just half of that, 600 points, and we're out. So that's the first method. The second method is, once you enter your trade, you wait for the MACD to cross back. So the MACD crosses back here. So here is where you will come out of the market if you are using the second method. Okay, so let's measure that. So if you come out right around there, so you got almost similar 623 points. So if you use the first method, 600 points. If you use the second method of exit, 623 points. Okay. So that is the buy scenario. Let's look at the sell scenario. Okay, remember, when you enter a long position from here, your stop loss will be below this swing low. This is a swing low. This is the last swing low before the price took off. So your stop loss should be somewhere around about this swing low. And your take profit target is either 600 points or you wait for the crossing of the 2 MACD again. All right, let's describe the sell signal. Okay, so the sell signal is here. The yellow MACD crosses below the 0 line, and from here we enter a short position. So we enter a short position right here, and you are looking for 600 points. So let us see if we get our 600 points. Right about here, we definitely get our 600 points, but the market went down as low as 1,398 points, or around about 1,353 points, right? But we don't need all the 1,353 points. We only need just 600 points, and then we're out of the market. Okay, so that is the method one, to use a defined target, take profit target of $600 or 600 points. But if you want to close your position when the second MACD, when the MACD crosses each other, so that will be round about here. When they crosses each other, round about here. So let's see what profit target is that one. So we enter our position right here, okay, and then we exit our position when they crosses again. So this time around we have 981 points. 981 points. So you can either have a defined target of 600, or you wait until the 2 MACD crosses again and close your position. If you had taken this sell position here, remember, if you take your position there, your stop loss will be here at this point here. If you want to be conservative, which is okay, but you might also put your stop loss at this swing high, either this swing high or that swing high. This swing high is a much reliable resistance level. Okay, it's a more reliable resistance level, so you need to calculate your risk reward ratio. So when you put your stop loss here, you calculate how many points is that to your opening position and what is in relationship to your 600. If it is more than 600 points, you know your risk reward ratio is less than 1:1, so you might not take that trade. Okay guys, so this is how to use MACD strategy for Bitcoin and any other cryptocurrencies. So I hope you understand this strategy. I hope you can set it up on your TradingView platform. You can also set it up on MetaTrader, NinjaTrader, or any other TradeStation or any other trading platform. So guys, thanks for watching, and I hope I will speak to you again in the next video. It's Dare.